one restaurant, and this restaurant, well, my dad wanted something heavy because he just wanted to eat and then have a nice heavy dinner. So we ordered something called malai kofta. Now the thing is that the restaurant wasn't having a malai kofta, which is a traditional Indian dish, and so they took my dad's order, but when they came out with our malai kofta, the curry was absolutely perfect, but the material that was inside the ball that's found in the curry wasn't the traditional malai kofta tasting or the feeling. So that's when my dad was like, wait a minute, this doesn't taste like a malai kofta, rather it just tastes like potatoes. And the thing is that my dad couldn't refuse it in any sort of way because he had no proof whether or not this was actually a malai kofta or not. And he couldn't just say because it doesn't taste like it, because that's not a strong enough reason. And I know there's many people out there who could just like smell the food or taste it once and be like, this is perfect or this is not. But the thing is that not everyone is able to do that. So here's where my unique thought comes into play. Now, I do understand that my idea might be a little bit far-fetched since we just don't have the technology with us at the moment. But the way that AI is moving forward, I think in maybe around 10 years, this would be possible. But my idea is that you could just take your phone and either take a picture of that dish or like scan that dish, and that app would tell you all of the ingredients inside of it. And then you can actually figure out, is this the malai kofta I ordered or is it not? Similarly, this app could also be used when you're ordering off a menu. If you don't know what something is or what something looks like, just type in the name, type in the ingredients, and it would be able to draw out an image for you on what it would look like and how it should taste. That way, if you go to a restaurant, order a malai kofta, and it doesn't come out the way that you want, then you can scan it, and then you can tell the restaurant right there, and you can even report it online. How does this sound? And if you haven't guessed it already, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you, so you could get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I could get my unique thought by just a malai kofta, then you can too. So make sure you keep your eyes and your mind wide open. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you all next time. Bye!